Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be sharing my recipe and instructions for making a white chocolate ganache drip on a cake. I use an approximate ratio of 1 to 3 of heavy cream to white chocolate chips. And I say approximate because the consistency of your ganache will vary by different brands you use, temperatures, altitudes of your home, things like that. So you may find you may need to add a few more chocolate chips to thicken the consistency or add a tad more heavy cream to thin the consistency based on what you want. Heat your cream in a microwave-safe dish or glass just until you see some bubbles at the top. This can happen as fast as even about 20 seconds in the microwave. Add in your chocolate chips and then just shake so they're covered inside the cream. Cover with a cloth and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Once they're melted and soft, stir until your ganache is smooth. White chocolate ganache will start off with a yellowish hue and also translucent. So to get it to become opaque, add a drop or two of white Chef Master liquid gel. Next, I'm adding a very small toothpick-sized dot of Chef Master Violet liquid gel to help cancel out the yellow color. The last step to make it bright white is just to add another couple of drops of white. Ganache colors very quickly and easily with a good quality color like Chef Master liquid gel. Next, this is totally optional but a really fun tip. If you want to give it a shimmery or pearly sheen, you can use a couple of shakes of an edible glitter. I'm using Sweets and Treats Boutique's Quartz Edible Luxe Glitter Dust. You'll want to add your drip to a very cold cake, one that has just been in the fridge or freezer for a little while. This very first drip down the back of our cake is our test drip. And the test drip will tell you if you need to alter your consistency. This all depends on what you want for your drips for your cake. If my test drip ran all the way down to the bottom of the cake really fast, that tells me it's too thin and I need to let the drip cool off, or I need to add some chocolate chips to my mix. And if the drip was too thick, it wouldn't really move much at all. If it's too thick, just heat it up for a few more seconds. This is just about right. With this cake, I'm using a chafing spoon. It's a serving spoon for sauces or gravies, but you can also use a squeeze bottle or a small teaspoon or regular spoon, or you can just pour and spread it out and let the drips fall where they may. I'm just adding a little more to cover the top and just dragging my offset spatula through it to texture it a bit. Here's a view from the top after decorating. At this point, I recommend popping into the fridge and just letting your ganache finish setting up all the way. And here's a sneak peek to what I added to the cake after the drips were finished. I'll be sharing more videos about the other pieces on this Lucky Charms themed cake soon too. Thank you so much for watching.